What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire changers on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Veconor Manual Tire Changer. This ATV and motorcycle adapter from Veconor is built to assist with manual tire changing tasks. It fits into the existing structure of a tire machine and helps in managing wheel servicing without causing damage. The adapter helps reduce the rim clamp size by 5 inches, which makes it possible to handle smaller wheels often found on motorcycles or all-terrain vehicles. The product comes with 4 components that work with standard jaw claw dimensions around 45.6 mm width. These accessories are structured to offer firm support during wheel removal or fitting, keeping the tire stable without the risk of movement. Its compact shape also makes it easier to store or move around, especially for small workshops or mobile services. This unit is designed using a tough metal frame that adds strength and supports load without deformation. A key part of the design is the non-skid plastic pad, placed to avoid scratches or marks on wheel surfaces. This element gives more hold during rotation and ensures the rim stays steady throughout the process. The adapter is made to mount easily onto an existing tire tool. It does not require complex setup, only a few turns of a bolt to hold it tight. The direct contact with the rim edge helps balance the pressure, preventing issues like warping or breakage. Produced in China and sold by Veconor, this tool is intended for users looking for practical ways to work on smaller tires without needing to purchase a separate changer. It helps reduce overstretching and protects both the bead and the wheel from unnecessary wear during use. In our list, the number 4 product name is Wikib Manual Tire Changer. This manual tire changer from Wikib is developed for handling wheel replacement tasks with steady performance. Designed to work with most car models, this tool can assist in switching tires without depending on electric-powered machines. Its steel construction helps provide strength during heavy-duty usage and resists shape changes over time. The tool includes a welded base and a duck head assembly that helps with tire handling tasks. Its design promotes even pressure when placing or removing a tire, helping to avoid rim damage or misalignment. The manual unit supports a balanced workflow, especially in settings like personal garages or home workspaces. With its simple size and weight, this changer can be moved or stored without effort. The product arrives mostly assembled, so users only need to tighten the attached parts before putting it to work. The included cone, crafted from black aluminum, aids in centering the rim to improve fit and reduce vibration during handling. Because the unit is manually operated, it can be used in environments where electric access is limited. Its paint-coated exterior makes it easier to clean and helps prevent rust or surface wear. This design helps users save time during repeated tire service jobs. The product offers value for individuals maintaining their own vehicles or working in small-scale operations. It gives an option to work on tire maintenance with precision while avoiding high-cost equipment. Wikib provides the support of customer service for any inquiries, which adds ease to the buying process. The combination of durable design and ease of use makes this tire changer tool practical for day-to-day mechanical work involving various types of wheels. In our list, the number 3 product name is Atesilor Upgraded Manual Tire Changer. This upgraded manual tire changer duck head kit from Atesilor is created to assist with handling car tires in home garages or vehicle maintenance spaces. Designed using strong steel, this tool offers a stable and tough option for switching tires on various types of vehicles including all-terrain vehicles, small trucks, and standard cars. The size range makes it compatible with tires between 16-inch and 21-inch, which covers a large portion of common vehicles. It includes a cast steel duck head built to handle regular use without bending or wearing down. Unlike plastic parts that may fail under force, this metal version offers more reliability while working on tight or old tire fittings. The aluminum alloy screws are included to help with quick hand tightening, so setup does not require extra tools or long effort before use. For those who prefer working in their own garage or workshop, this tire changer tool offers a do-it-yourself method of managing tire replacements. Instead of visiting service centers for every change, users can work directly with the wheel setup on their own schedule. The construction helps the device hold up under repeated usage without loss in performance. The unit is also compatible with most manual changers that use post caps with a diameter of 2 inch or less. It gives flexibility in use across different models and setups. With the added benefit of compact packing dimensions, it does not demand much room for storage. This option suits both daily users and those occasionally managing tires for personal use, offering a strong balance between ease of handling and long-term strength. In our list, the number 2 product name is Atesilor Manual Tire Changer. This manual tire changer duck head kit from Atesilor offers a solution for car wheel removal and mounting tasks in home or professional settings. Built with a mix of strong steel and heavy-duty nylon plastic, the design holds firm under stress and maintains shape even through frequent usage. This structure helps users deal with tough or tightly sealed tires without worrying about tool failure. Compatible with many manual tire changing machines, it works smoothly across a variety of rim and tire types. The duck head shape allows easier separation between wheel and rubber, helping the process move quickly and with more control. For those switching tires on different cars regularly, this tool gives an adaptable approach for handling various diameters. Its universal fit makes it usable across multiple tire sizes, helping people avoid the need for multiple tools for each wheel type. It supports safe and controlled motion while working, reducing the chance of rim scratches or tire tears. This is useful when working with polished surfaces or sensitive tire compounds that need extra attention during the change. The kit also comes ready to mount onto the matching tire machine. Simple installation means less time preparing and more time getting the task completed. It supports better grip and stable handling, which improves confidence while working, especially for users who handle their own tire replacements. Compact in size with manageable weight, this tool is easy to store or transport between workspaces. It brings together long-lasting materials, consistent handling, and wide fitment in one package, making it a practical addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. In our list, the number 1 product name is XK-New 2.0 horsepower tire changer. The XK tire changer and wheel balancer machine from Sunrise ZH offers a complete setup for handling a wide range of automotive tire and wheel services. Designed to support different rim sizes and wheel dimensions, this equipment makes tire mounting and balancing easier for various vehicle types. The strong structure helps maintain reliable operation, even with high usage in busy garages or service shops. Built with dual turntable foot pedal control, the tire changer allows rim clamping on the outside from 10 to 18 inches and inside from 12 to 20 inches. It supports tires up to 37 inches in diameter and has a maximum wheel width of 12 inches. The bead brake force reaches 5,600 pounds using a pneumatic piston, which operates under 120 to 145 pounds per square inch pressure. The balancer is preset to American measurement standards and supports a maximum wool diameter of 44 inches with a weight limit of 155 pounds. It uses a cycle time of around 6 to 9 seconds with an accuracy range between -1 gram and +1 gram. It runs on 110-volt power and includes several balancing modes such as dynamic, static, aluminum, and motorcycle types. Accessories such as clamp protectors, centering cones, a quick-release wing nut, and a steel mount head are part of the package. The overall finish uses a blue powder coat to add durability. Though the motorcycle adapter is visible in images, it is not included with this model. The system balances size capacity, functional control, and useful attachments, offering consistent service across tire types.